Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the recombination process and generation process. In this video, we have discussed the diffusion. Simply, what is meant by diffusion? Diffusion is that charge carrier concentration for higher concentration to lower concentration. Carrier concentration, that charge carrier concentration to higher concentration to the lower concentration. Diffusion is the charge carrier concentration, that movement of that charge carrier concentration is higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, and then in that simply we draw the diagram. This is the higher concentration to the lower concentration, charge carrier concentration. That means this point P1 and this is point P2. This point P2. That means that charge carrier concentration is higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, and that graph is a P of X. P of X versus X, and P of X is the whole charge carrier and this is the X is the distance. That is simply the diffusion. Then diffusion current. Diffusion current are the diffusion current. Diffusion current is the movement of charge carrier. Diffusion current is the movement of charge carrier inside the semiconductor. Movement of charge carrier inside the semiconductor due to charge carrier gradient inside the semiconductor. This process is called as diffusion current. Okay, diffusion is the charge carrier concentration from higher concentration to the lower concentration, and the diffusion current is the movement of charge carrier inside the semiconductor due to charge carrier gradient inside the semiconductor. This process is called as a diffusion current. Then let's see the graph, that is N of X, that is the concentration of that electron and with distance X, and we draw the diagram. This will be the N of X into X. Jn, this is the electron diffusion. And in that diagram we see the electron charge carrier. That means electron charge carrier will higher concentration to lower concentration. That means electronचं जे diffusion होतंय ते कसं होतंय, higher concentration to lower concentration, and Jn is the diffusion current density, where Jn is diffusion current density. Jn is the diffusion current density. In that, and that diagram is N of X, that is the electron carrier concentration to the distance X, and in that diagram we see that electron diffusion is higher concentration to lower concentration, and Jn is the lower to higher, that is the diffusion current density. Then again the graph of that, simply that P of X, that is the whole concentration, P of X and distance, and that is simply draw the same graph, but that whole diffusion and that Jp. These are the Jn. Jn is the diffusion current density Jn, and that is the Jp is the diffusion but whole साठी. डिफ्युजन करंट डेन्सिटी कशासाठी, होलसाठी, अँड दॅट इज द होल डिफ्युजन. होल डिफ्युजन इन दॅट डायग्राम, होल डिफ्युजन. दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफ्युजन. बट इथे हायेस्ट टू लोवेस्ट होतं, हायर concentration to lower, but current density will be lowest to highest, and in that whole diffusion is also the concentration highest to lowest, and also the current density, diffusion current density also highest to lowest. Then in that figure it is given by the, consider the piece of semiconductor, consider the piece of semiconductor. बघा दोन ग्राफ बघितल्या पुढे. इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफ्युजन कसं आहे इथे, हायर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन टू लोअर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, बट जेन अपोजिट लोअर टू हायेस्ट. आणि इथे होल डिफ्युजन सुद्धा हायेस्ट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन टू लोएस्ट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, बट जेपी कसं आहे, हाय टू लो. देन इन विच, आता कन्सिडर करतो पीस ऑफ सेमी कंडक्टर इन विच फॉर दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ग्रेड. Consider the piece of semiconductor in which for whatever reason there is a electron concentration gradient. There is a electron concentration gradient. Electron concentration gradient, and by this analogy with the laws of diffusion, laws of diffusion बघितलं आपण, carrier concentration from higher concentration to lower concentration, and with by analogy the laws of diffusion in gases or liquid, one can easily conceive the electron will be, then electron will be diffused from the region. कोणता region? From the region. Electron will be diffused from the region where their concentration is highest, okay, is highest to the region where it is lowest. That means that electron can diffuse the higher concentration to lower concentration region. Then the flux of electron, the flux of electron Fn, that resulting from the diffusion process, and that diffusion process is directly proportional. Which process? The diffusion process is directly proportional to the electron concentration, electron concentration gradient dN by dx, and that's this flux. Next step मध्ये टाकणार आपण, this flux will multiply, or this flux when multiplied by minus q is equal to diffusion current density, okay. काय कि that diffusion process is directly proportional to the electron concentration gradient dN by dx, and that flux when multiply minus q is equal to diffusion current density, and that this flux of electron, that is Fn, is equal to minus that dN of dN by dx, and where this equation is called as a fixed law. Fn is equal to minus dN into dN by dx. This is called as a fixed law, and that dN is known as diffusion constant. Okay, that dN, capital Dn is the diffusion constant, and dN by dx is the electron concentration gradient, and that this current density is equal to, आपण म्हटलंय that when the flux when multiplied by minus q is equal to diffusion current density, and Jn is the diffusion current density is equal to multiply by काय म्हटलं आपण minus q कशाला फ्लक्सला, the flux with multiply by minus q, that means minus q into Fn, but हा minus q आहे and Fn minus 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 will be plus, and that q that dn by dx equation R. Jn is equal to, and where Jn is diffusion current density, diffusion current density, diffusion current density. Okay, then physically the diffusion is due to random thermal motion. Diffusion is random thermal motion, random thermal motion of carrier as well as scattering, and then we have that D is equal to VTH, thermal voltage, to M, that is the tau M. Okay, and then we have consider the n-type semiconductor. Consider n-type semiconductor. Consider n-type semiconductor where applied field is 0. Applied field will be 0. N-type semiconductor, applied field will be 0. Applied field is 0. Hence net current density is also 0. Applied field will be 0, net current density also 0, and therefore that Jn is equal to Q mu n Ne plus Q dn by dx is equal to 0, and that will be, this side will be of that side, and that Q is equal to, Q mu n Ne is equal to minus Q dn by dx, minus Q dn by dx. Okay, then if आता ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ही Q mu n Ne ही व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन दिलेली. ओके, हे वरती इक्वेशन आपण बघितलं आहे, बट दट जर फील्ड 0 असेल अप्लाइड फील्ड, द करंट डेन्सिटी इज ऑल्सो 0. देन इफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज क्रिएटेड, इफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is created by non-uniform doping. When electric field is created by non-uniform doping, which produces gradient along the conduction band, which produces gradient along conduction band. ग्रेडियंट प्रोड्यूस होतो म्हणजे काय होतं, दॅट इज द मुवमेंट होते. चार्जेस इलेक्ट्रॉन किंवा होलची, इलेक्ट्रॉनची काय होते, मुवमेंट होते. आणि कुठे ग्रेडियंट कुठे तयार होतो, मुवमेंट कुठे होते, अलॉंग दी कंडक्शन बँड, विच इज गिवन बाय एप्सिलॉन इज इक्वल टू DEC डिवाइडेड बाय Q dx. Epsilon is the electric field constant of electric field. Epsilon is the DEC divided by Q dx, and therefore which simply is known as a dn by dx, that is the electron gradient. This is the electric field constant epsilon, and that dn by dx is the electron gradient minus Q epsilon n divided by kt. K is that constant. K a constant घेतलाय. ओके, and therefore, आणि मग यावरनं सिम्पली दोन इक्वेशन तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली दिले, दॅट म्यू n is equal to Q dn, and that dn is the capital DN is the कोणता कॉन्स्टंट आहे, कॅपिटल DN is the diffusion constant, and that mu n is equal to q dn divided by kt, and that mu p is equal to q dp divided by kt, and that these two relation, बघा डायरेक्टली रिलेशन दिलेले आहे तुम्हाला, प्रूफ त्याचा दिलेला नाही आहे, त्याच्यामुळे मी सुद्धा काय केलं की डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन राईट केले. म्यू एन इज इक्वल टू क्यू कॅपिटल डी एन डिवायडेड बाय के टी अँड म्यू पी इज इक्वल टू क्यू डी पी डिवायडेड बाय के टी, अँड दॅट अबाव रिलेशन्स आर कॉल्ड ॲज Einstein relation. Einstein's relation. Above relation is called as a Einstein relation, and that simply आपल्याला रिलेशन बघायची होती. अँड दॅट प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्युजन. मग डिफ्युजनमध्ये काय होतं की दॅट चार्ज करियर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन मोमेंट कशी होते, हायर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन टू लोअर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, आणि त्याच्यावरनं आपण काय बघितलं, मग डिफ्युजन कॉन्स्टंट बघितला, डिफ्युजन करंट डेन्सिटी बघितला. बघा इक्वेशन तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली दिलेलं आहे, अँड ॲज इट इज जरी एक्झाममध्ये हा पॉईंट आला डिफ्युजन, तर ॲज इट इज तुम्हाला इक्वेशन राईट करायचे, काही चेंजेस करायचे नाही. ॲज इट इज तुम्ही राईट केलं तरी तुम्हाला काय भेटणार आहे, फुल्ली मार्क त्या क्वेश्चनचे भेटणार आहे. ओके, अँड दिस टू इक्वेशन म्यू एन इज इक्वल टू क्यू कॅपिटल डी एन डिवायडेड बाय के टी, म्यू पी इज इक्वल टू क्यू डी capital dp divided by kt, and these are the Einstein relation. In next video we have discussed the small point next जो आहे current density equation, that is the last point of that properties of semiconductor module number 1, that is the current density equation. Simple points are given. We have discussed that point, current density equation, in next video.